Welcome to my iPad tutorials. I've been covering the App Store in previous tutorials, so I'm going to continue on with that. And this time I'm going to take you into the Purchased section and help you understand how that works. So the first thing we need to do on our iPad is we need to find that App Store icon and tap on that. And that's going to open up the App Store. Across the bottom, we've already gone through Featured, Top Charts, Genius, and now we're going to look at the Purchased section. Now my Purchased section, I hate to say this, takes a little while to draw in because I have purchased so many apps, but I guess when you teach about the iPad, that's what you should expect, right? Okay. So let's take a quick look. That wasn't too bad. Let's take a quick look. You're going to get to see what's on my iPad. These are the things that I have purchased. And one of the things that you want to pay attention to, I guess, is, or maybe I should state that a different way. One of the things that I like to tell people is, if you don't use an app, maybe you downloaded it and you think, oh, maybe I'm not going to use this right now, or I haven't been using it lately. Don't be afraid to delete it, because any app that you get, it stays in your purchased history. So you can always re-download it very quickly. So here's how I can tell you things that I have downloaded onto my iPad and then deleted. I'm just going to look in this first column here, and you can see that I have an app called NBC Nightly News, and notice it says open. When I see the button that says open, that means that the app is actually installed on my iPad, and I can just launch it from here. If you look at the app directly below it, the Crayola Paint and Create, notice that it has a cloud. What this means is this is not installed on my iPad. And probably what I did is I installed it on my iPad. I played with it a little bit, and then because I need to make room for other apps, I deleted it. So if I wanted to re-download it, all I would have to do is tap on this little cloud. So I'll just show you what that looks like. And then see how it says installing. That's going to go ahead and reinstall it onto my iPad. So it's that easy to get an app back if you have deleted it. Notice across the top that you can, I'll start in the right hand corner, you can change the view of your app. So if I wanted to, I could look at most recent. So obviously the NBC Nightly News was the last one I downloaded, or I can put these in alphabetical order by name. So I tapped on that, and again it's going to take a long time to draw it in because I have so many. So you can look at the apps in a different way. Like if you're looking to reinstall a specific app that you deleted for some reason, you can search by name, or sort by name, and then you can find things a little bit quicker. In the center up at the top, you can see there's two options here, all and not on my iPad, or not on this iPad, excuse me. So if I tap on not on this iPad, what that means is any app that I purchased but I haven't actually placed on this iPad. So what that might mean is if you purchased an app through iTunes, or I also have an iPhone that is available that I have, that I own, that I've downloaded apps on. And so you can see also any of the apps that I have deleted. So the not on this iPad can mean a lot of different things. So you want to, if you're looking for a specific app to reinstall, you might want to check if you know you installed it from iTunes or you installed it on a different device. Then you might want to just go ahead and tap on not on this iPad, and it will take you less time to find it. You can also use the search up in the upper, oh, my App Store just crashed. Let me get back in there. See, I'm telling you, I have a lot of apps on here. So I'll try and go back into that purchase section, and hopefully we won't crash again. So while we're waiting for those to draw in, I was going to just show you in the upper right hand corner, you can search for a specific app. So if you know you deleted an app and you wanted to reinstall it now, you could just search for that name and that would pull just that app up. So that's also an option that you have. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you can also look for simply iPad apps or iPhone apps, because as I'm sure you know, you can install apps that work both on the iPhone and the iPad onto your iPad. So that's what that's referring to. It might be an app that was designed or developed specifically for the iPhone. So again, don't be afraid. If you find you're not using an app, or you think, oh, maybe down the road I'll look at this, or maybe you just don't want it, don't be afraid to delete an app, because once you install an app, it always stays in your purchase history.